Most people get this wrong. They assume all finance apps just track expenses. Value Vault Finance in 2026 does much more. It helps you actively grow your money while keeping spending and savings organized with automated tools and smart insights. Value Vault allows you to set multiple financial goals, such as paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a big purchase. Its intelligent algorithms automatically allocate funds toward each goal based on your income and spending habits. Over time, small, consistent contributions can grow significantly thanks to automation and compound interest. The app provides alerts for upcoming bills, subscriptions, and overspending. Its visual dashboard shows your progress toward each goal and highlights opportunities to save more efficiently. This combination of automation and insight makes money management effortless, even for beginners. Security is a priority. Value Vault uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and continuous fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and customer support is available through chat or email if needed. The main limitation, Value Vault focuses on savings and budgeting. It doesn't offer advanced investment tools or trading options. So, for anyone looking for a secure, automated, and smart way to manage money and grow savings, it's an excellent option. So, is Value Vault Finance worth it in 2026? Absolutely. If you want a modern, safe, and automated approach to budgeting and saving, Value Vault delivers. Subscribe to stay informed about the best apps and tools that can help you take control of your financial future.